Hello everyone, this is Linda and yes, I'm in my garden. I guess it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I have been in and out of the garden today, but it's been a beautiful day. I came in today because I wanted to share with you guys that I received some mail from Misfit Gardening. Emma. Thank you, Emma. Emma sent me some seeds, and this is some fertilizer for some compost tea. Yeah, I've never seen this before, so I'm going to give it a try. Emma, I thank you so much for all the goodies, and I'm definitely going to incorporate them into my garden. Yes, yes. So I'm going to share it with you some of the seeds that she sent me. So these are white umbrella seeds, and on the package she says they are great for bees. Yeah, so you know I want that. I will plant that today. Yes. And I don't know if you guys hear that wind, but I'm trying to get in a spot where you can't hear it that much. But yeah, you know how it go when you're outside, right? And so this is her the mammoth seeds, sunflower seeds, and that is what I was asking for. She asked if anyone wanted some to just give her a holler, and I hollered. And I thank you so much for those sunflower seeds. I will plant them also today. These are sweet peas, and for that one I'm going to wait for my trellis. It's getting there, y'all. It's getting there. This is some marigolds and I think some calendulas, and I'm definitely going to plant that today. All right, these are some cornflowers, blue, pink, and purple, she says, and they are bachelor buttons that I will plant today. And see, what is this one? Broccoli. Yeah, I have already planted that today. And something I have never planted before, this is pumpkin. I've never grown pumpkins. I've grown, butternut squash, spaghetti squash, but never just pumpkin. And so I'm definitely going to plant that. I have I'm going to plant some butternut squash, spaghetti squash. I'm going to plant two different types of spaghetti squash. I'm going to have a smaller spaghetti squash that I'm going to put on my trellis, and I'm going to plant the other bigger size spaghetti squash. I'm going to plant that along with my butternut squash. Yeah. So Emma, I want to thank you so much for all yeah, I had to let those planes just go ahead on by. But Emma, I want to thank you so much for all of these lovely, lovely seeds. I am excited for them. I'm going to plant them, and I want to thank you so much. Yeah, I'm going to send you some seeds also, and hopefully you can incorporate them into your garden as well. But anyway, guys, I hope you all have a great, great Saturday. Later, y'all.